Hey everyone, Tom here, and in this video we're going to take a look at 5 common reasons why your snowblower wouldn't be throwing snow. We've put together a quick list to help you get your snowblower back up and running before the white stuff starts to pile up too high. Now let's get this started. Buildup of snow. If your snowblower is not throwing snow, there could be a buildup of snow in the discharge chute. Turn off your snowblower and clear any buildup. If it's clear, there may be a problem with your drive system. Defective cog belt or V-belt. The cog belt or V-belt connects the engine and the gearbox. If either belt is damaged, the wheels will not spin or snow won't be thrown. Inspect each belt for wear or damage. If there are any signs of damage, you'll have to replace them. Defective drive disc. The friction disc helps the snowblower move forward. When the friction disc becomes worn or damaged, it will not engage properly. Inspect the disc for signs of damage or wear and replace it if necessary. Shear pin. If your snowblower isn't throwing snow, it may be because of a broken shear pin. These pins break as a safety mechanism if the auger hits something that causes it to stop rotating. This helps to prevent damage to the gearbox and belts. Check the pin and replace it if damaged or broken. Broken auger blades. Check the auger blades in your snowblower for cracks in the welds or general damage. If the blades are bent or damaged, you can fix or replace them. If the whole assembly is worn, replace the entire thing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, we've got thousands more videos to help you with your outdoor power equipment, and if you have any questions for us, leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos to help you finish the job.